Hi everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download Facebook application. So first of all, you need to open the Google Play Store. As this video is for the Android users, you need to tap upon Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Play Store, you tap on search bar and there type in Facebook. Tap on search. You can see the search result of the app on the top. Tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Facebook is an application in where you can connect with friends, family and other people around you. It helps you engage with friends and pages, stay connected with the communities and those that are important to you. You can share, upload your photos and everything. Facebook is an American online social media and social networking service that is owned by Meta platform. You can see here the application has been downloaded. Now you tap on open and with that you have successfully downloaded your Facebook application for your mobile device. So this is how you can download and install the Facebook application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.